everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. We're going to be making some stew today. We're going to be using pumpkin, Irish, chocho, carrots, cauliflower, all our seasonings that we like to be using in veggie stew. Yes, so let's get started. These veggies, for these you don't want them to cook too soft, alright? Like I said, blanching is just introducing heat to the vegetables and then you just run them under some cold water, right? Because remember we're going to stew them up a little later. Okay, we're going to add some coconut oil to the pot. We're going to burn some turmeric as well. And to this, guys, you're going to add some mustard seed. Some cumin. I think the mustard seed, guys, add an amazing flavor. Right? So just be careful, man. They pop on, you know. So just keep frying them up in the pot, right? We're going to add the garlic. Some ginger. And the onions. So I've added to the pot, guys, the carrot, the chocho, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. coconut milk. And don't forget your salt, you know, guys. You can add your salt and a little bit of black pepper, or to your desired amount. You can add at this time your scallion, and your other veggies, right? You can add your sweet peppers, guys. I've gone ahead and cooked some bulgur, and I think it goes great with the stew. You can see all your colors popping, and that's what we want. People eat with their eyes, right? This is super easy to make, guys. You can play with it. You can add anything you like, any food that you like, you can add it in there. Vegetables, you can add it with it, right? It's super easy and very nutritious to have. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share our videos, right?